Very often we have lots of things to display on our slide used in presentations. A good practice would be to keep slides content to a minimum. However, this might not always be possible. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a red box to lead your audience to look at specific area on your slides during your presentation. Welcome to another episode of Amazing Sticky Presentations inspired by Sticky Spy, bringing you tips, ideas, design for better presentation, turning your ideas into lasting impressions. Hey, this is Tian Teck from Sticky Spy. It is important to always lead our audience to focus on the key message in our presentation slides. This is easy if we only have one message per slide. In reality, most will have more than one message per slide, making this a challenging task. When presenting on projected slides in a meeting room or a conference hall, most speakers would use a laser pointer to circle around the area of the slide content to guide the audience to look at the content where the speaker is speaking of. This is distracting, and the speaker will always have his back facing the audience. This is not ideal as you are losing eye contact with your audience. One simple solution is to use a red box. Actually, can be any color, and it doesn't have to be red. Draw a red box over the message, text, image, object, information that you would like your audience to focus on while you are presenting the message. As you present, move the red box to the next message in the sequence of your presentation. Doing this will also help you keep eye contact with your audience. Instead of using a laser pointer to point at the message, the red box helps identify the message for your audience. Here is another example. Again, not ideal to have so much information on a single slide, but if it's unavoidable, use the red box. Move the red box to the next area where you start explaining the next content. Do not use the red box as an excuse for not simplifying complex content. When possible, always try to reduce the amount of information shown on a single slide. The red box should be used selectively as the last resort to maintain focus on presentation content. So, the next time when you are designing presentation slides, add a red box where appropriate to help your audience focus on your content. Until my next video, keep your eyes on your audience by using a red box. Bye-bye.